Hi everybody, today I wanted to talk to you about a cool little keyboard Maestro macro that is a text expansion, but it gives you system information. Um, let's see it in action. Now, we're going to go to drafts. I'm going to try it first. There's 3 different versions of it. Here's the first one. It gives you the model identifier and system version. So I have an iMac 10,1 and system version is 10.13.6, which is the last version of Mac OS High Sierra. Here is more another macro. This is all within the same macro. It's just it gives you different information depending on the text expansion that you use. So the first one was just regular sysinfo. So info. This one will be this should be just regular sysinfo, no capitals. This one will be the capital SIS info. So, okay. And here we use a differentiating character with the semicolon. So, in this text expansion, it gives you model identifier, memory, which I have a 16 gigs, boot ROM, SMS version, system version, kernel, and system. It tells you that system integrity protection is enabled. System integrity protection is what stops Mac OS from installing software that does not come from the App Store, the Mac App Store. Okay, let's try the last one. This one just has it's same thing, but has a different. The Y is capital. So this one gives you the model name, model identifier, processor name. I have a pretty old iMac. Processor speed, number of processors, total number of cores, the memory, which is 16 GB, the boot ROM, SMC version, I'm not sure what that is exactly, chipset, VRAM, adapter firmware version, system integrity protection enabled, and the system time since the last time I booted the machine. For me, it's been 24 days and about 15 hours. So my issue with this macro is I want to run it through TextExpander, and I have the TextExpander action pack, but even though I've tried to switch it to the shell scripting in TextExpander, which is here. So I opened another, and let's delete this. If you go to create a new snippet, you can choose these different types of scripts or text, technically. So you choose shell, and I selected one of the scripts and I can't get it to work. So I chose the largest one, which is the Y, right here. I can't get this to text expand correctly using TextExpander. So if we go back here, I expected this to show up, but when I put it in TextExpander, and I'm gonna open snippet again, and I paste the same info in, this is what I get. Preview unable to preview snippet, an abbreviation is required. Oh, okay. Let's try to put an abbreviation. So let's try sysinfo. And then let's see if it has it. Yeah, here it is. Again, it's not working. The shell script snippet has no shell task specifier. So I don't know what happens in Keyboard Maestro that is not allowing it to expand using TextExpander. If you guys have an idea as to why it's not working the same way, I'd be much appreciate knowing. So anyway, that's the end of this video showing you this Keyboard Maestro system info macro that I find very helpful sometimes. If you guys figure out how to run it through TextExpander, I'd be greatly appreciative. And if you like this video, let me know, comment below, like, and subscribe. Just like what every other YouTuber tells you to do. Alright guys, talk to you later in the next video.